What if the future of luxury SUVs wasn't just about comfort, but about presence, technology, and pure driving emotion? This is the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC. And from what you're about to see, this might be the most complete luxury SUV in its class. Starting from the front, and instantly, you can tell this isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. The signature Mercedes star sits proudly in the center, surrounded by a fully illuminated grille pattern that feels futuristic, almost concept car level. Flanking it are ultra-slim LED headlights, sharp, precise, and aggressively modern, giving the GLC a confident, almost electric personality. Move to the side, and this is where the proportions truly shine. The body is long, low, and athletic, with a subtle coupe-like silhouette, while still maintaining SUV practicality. Those clean character lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, emphasizing motion even when the car is standing still. And those wheels, large, multi-spoke alloys with a performance stance, perfectly fill the arches and give the car a grounded, premium presence. Now, let's talk about the rear, because this might be the highlight. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, glowing in a deep, vibrant red that instantly screams modern Mercedes design language. The lower bumper is sculpted with a sporty diffuser-style layout, paired with quad exhaust-style elements, giving it a bold, performance-inspired finish. From every angle, the 2027 GLC looks clean, aggressive, and undeniably futuristic. Step inside. And this is where things get seriously impressive. The cabin feels like a rolling luxury lounge, blending cutting-edge tech with classic Mercedes refinement. Right in front of you is a massive curved digital display, seamlessly stretching across the dashboard. It's not just a screen, it's an experience. From navigation visuals to vehicle data, everything is presented with crystal-clear graphics and smooth animations. The steering wheel? Minimalist, premium, and wrapped in fine materials with touch-sensitive controls that feel intuitive and modern. Look around, and you'll notice the details. High-quality leather upholstery, soft ambient lighting flowing across the cabin, a clean, uncluttered center console with a floating design. And thanks to the panoramic glass roof, the cabin feels open, airy, and connected to the outside world, especially when driving along scenic coastal roads like this. It's luxury, but with a futuristic edge. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just about looks. While exact specs may vary, the 2027 GLC is expected to feature a range of advanced electrified powertrains. That includes turbocharged engines with mild hybrid systems, plug-in hybrid variants for extended electric driving, and possibly even fully electric EQ-inspired performance models. What does that mean for you? Smooth acceleration, instant torque, and a driving experience that feels both powerful and refined. Paired with intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, the GLC is built to handle both city streets and winding coastal roads with absolute confidence. Now, let's talk about what this level of luxury might cost. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC is expected to start somewhere around $50,000 to $65,000 USD, depending on the trim and powertrain. Higher performance, or electrified versions, could push that even further into premium territory. As for the release, we're likely looking at a late 2026 to early 2027 global debut, with availability rolling out shortly after. So, is this the future of luxury SUVs? With its bold design, next-gen technology, and electrified performance, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC isn't just keeping up with the competition. It's setting the pace. What do you think? Is this the best-looking GLC ever made? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cinematic car reviews. I'll see you in the next one.